What is glass skin? Glass skin that reflects light, that stay hydrated, and that provides glow. So, glass skin is provided by the things that you can use in the daily life. I will give you 7 days challenge, so how you can get glass skin. So you can use two things like magical face mask and the secondary moisture boost gel. How you can make magical face mask? Magical face mask needs 4 things. Like first one is ground floor, second is rice water, third is glycerine, and the fourth one is turmeric. So what ground floor do? Ground floor can do and repair your dead skin. Rice water, how can you make rice water? You can take rice and then put it in a water about 5 to 6 hours. You can get a milky water and then you can use it. And then 1 spoon of glycerine you can use in this, and a pinch of turmeric. In short, you can use 1 spoon of ground floor, 3 spoons of rice water, 1 spoon of glycerine, and a pinch of turmeric, and you can make a face mask. About 15 to 20 minutes you can use a face mask on your skin, and then you can watch the results. About 7 days in the day first and the day 3rd, day 5th and day 7th, you can use this thing. Secondly, moisture boost gel. In the moisture boost gel you can do 2 things. Number 1 is aloe vera gel and second is the glycerine. So 1 spoon of aloe vera gel and 1 spoon of glycerine, you can make the gel or paste and you can use on the skin. About 15 to 20 minutes, 2 times a day, you can use moist boost gel and you can get the result. So on the day 2nd, 4th and 6th, you can use the moisture boost gel and you can get the glass skin. These combination can give you the results in the 7 days.